Could this vacuum finally end your cleaning nightmares? Forget everything you thought you knew about cordless vacuums, because the Ultenic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is here to challenge those expectations. This isn't just another stick vac. It's a powerhouse designed to tackle the real-world messes we all face, from stubborn pet hair to that elusive dust hiding in plain sight. Right off the bat, the Ultenic impresses with its sheer power. We're talking about a 550W motor, delivering an incredible 50 kPa of suction. That's not just a number, it translates to serious cleaning muscle. Whether it's fine dust on hardwood, embedded pet hair in carpets, or kitchen crumbs, this machine just devours it. It feels genuinely satisfying to see it pick up debris effortlessly across multiple surfaces. And for those with larger homes, or anyone tired of constant recharging, the 60-minute runtime in auto mode is a game changer. Imagine cleaning up to 200 square meters without needing to hunt for an outlet. The removable battery is a smart touch, offering flexibility and ensuring you're always ready for unexpected spills. Now, let's talk about a feature that truly stands out: the 180-degree bendable wand. This is a thoughtful design choice, especially for pregnant individuals, seniors, or anyone with back issues. No more awkward bending and straining to reach under furniture. It just folds down, letting you glide effortlessly into those tight, low spaces. It makes under-sofa cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a smooth operation. But what about the dust you can't see? Ultenic has an answer for that too, with its integrated green laser technology. For the perfectionists out there, this is a dream come true. That green light illuminates hidden dust particles, especially in dark corners or under beds, ensuring you don't miss a single speck. It's a subtle addition that makes a huge difference in achieving a truly spotless home. And for pet owners or families concerned about air quality, the Ultenic has you covered. The advanced 6-layer filtration system captures up to 99% of fine dust and allergens, contributing to a healthier living environment. Plus, the anti-tangle roller brush is a godsend. Say goodbye to those frustrating moments spent cutting hair out of the brush head. This one just keeps spinning, making maintenance a breeze. With its convenient charging wall mount and an intuitive LED display, the Ultenic really feels like a complete package. It's clear that every feature has been designed with the user in mind, aiming to make cleaning less of a burden and more efficient. Overall, the Ultenic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner isn't just powerful. It's smart, user-friendly, and genuinely effective. It tackles common cleaning frustrations with innovative solutions, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, hassle-free cleaning experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.